looking at these Mustang corners here, and one of the things we're finding a lot of these Mustangs have is the spacing on these corners. If you're working on a Mustang, I'm no Mustang expert, but I built a lot of cars, so I just know a lot of things from doing this. I mean, I've done Mustangs before, back many years ago when they weren't so old, and of course things change. But one of the things they sell is a rubber kit for these things that goes in here, and it makes it look like a Saturn. So if you don't want your car to look like a Saturn, which looks gross to me, if you got a bitchin' old Mustang, you don't want it to look like a new car. You want it to look old and look cool. So they sell a rubber kit for inside here, because what happens is, if you see, I have a really, really slight gap in here, and that's what I want. What happens is people just put the corners on, they just tighten them down, and then it tightens down right on this edge to this edge, and can wear the paint or chip the paint from doing that. So what we're doing, and what I suggest you do if you're building one of these cars, is properly space these. And so what we're doing, what I used, what I found that worked all right for me, and is I'm using different plumbing washers. And so maybe they make something for this, but you know, then again, I don't want to order something and wait for shipping. Those you guys are doing your 10-year builds, whatever, you can do that. But I build them in a month or 2 months, so I have no time for that stuff. So anyway, here's what I did is I used these spacers here, put the studs all on. So like how the studs come out, you gotta put all the studs on. Okay, take the nuts off of them, which is not fun. It's a pain in the ass. So take all your studs off, put all your studs back in, and then space them so that you tighten it up slowly. And then, being that they're rubber, means that you don't have to get it super tight. All you got to do is just get it snug, and then because it's rubber, it will be like a spring action against the nut, so that the nut won't keep backing out, so they won't fall off. So that's my theory. That's how I'm doing it. You guys do what you want, but you know, these stupid corners are a pain in the ass because they like to chip the paint off. And the rubber pieces that they give you to put on here, like I said, it's basically a U-shaped rubber, and it sticks out that far, and I think it just looks disgusting, especially on a car like this. You know, this is a bitchin' car. You know, you want it to look old, not look new. All right, talk to you guys in the next video.